Hey guys, I'm Hit Dog, and today I'm going to do Adventures Beta because it's been giving rares and other things. I have so much gems, it's just a lot. Everybody's over here. No one's doing adventure level hard? I've been doing this one more often because it's been giving me more rares. Like I got a freedom mask from this, so that was just really good. It was just a really good prize. The thing I most likely like about this is that the chopper plants aren't wilted. It just makes it so hard when the chopper plants, when you can't use them. Like in the member adventure, it's like that. It's just so hard. What does my voice sound like? Ah. Now that was surprising. I'm just talking normally into the speaker, but to me it sounds a little froggy. So I'm just really wondering what my voice sounds like. Okay, it took forever to get to level 9. Well, just at least a really long time. No. Hey, where's the corks? I don't see them. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to call this video "What Does My Voice Sound Like?" Well, of course you already know that. Blah blah blah. Hold on. Because you clicked on it and the title said, "What does my voice sound like?" So you probably already know that. And I'm very happy that my YouTube username is changed to I am a Pet Dog Star. So if you're looking for my videos and you can't find my videos, you don't know the titles of them, just type I'm a Pet Dog Star. Okay, my voice feels very froggy right now. I hope it sounds okay. Don't want to be annoying you guys. Okay, I just really want my voice to be much better. I don't know why, but I have a tan warrant, but I still want more items. I just can't be done. There's a headdress I want, and there's this girl who tried to scam me. I forgot what her username was, and she said, if you send me your lava glove or 2 rares, and I'll tell you headdress codes. I didn't notice that because she was doing a best dress, and I won. She said, "Okay, you can choose the prize." Shouldn't the prize be free? Shouldn't she just have to not try to scam you into getting a prize? I'm like, girl, all I want is that phantom plushie. She said, I can't, my mom traded it for me. So her Analgem fake mom person. And where is that last cork? I don't see it anywhere. Cork, where are you? Where is that cork? I almost said corduroy. I don't know why. Okay, where is that last cork? It has to be somewhere around here. Ah! Uh-oh. Phantoms alert! Chasing after me. I do not like when phantoms chase after you. Especially now I have 3 phantoms chasing after me, so that's kind of bad. Ah! Help me! Okay, now 4. That is just cuckoo. Help me! Help me. Darn it. I'm going to see if I can see the cork on my way back. And darn it. I need an Arctic Wolf to do this. Okay, just where is that last cork? Where is it? Where is it? Where are you, last corky? Need to plug the phantom pipe. So please show up. Okay, just where is that last cork? It feels like I just checked everywhere. Where is that last cork? Seriously, where is that last cork? Ain't no jam, where's that last cork? Okay, I'm serious. Where is that last cork? I don't see it anywhere. Squat nowhere. Probably because I'm used to doing this not alone, with someone else. Usually with an Arctic Wolf, so we just get something over there. There it is. Here we go. Thank you, phantoms. I wonder how long it'll take to get to level 10. Level 10, you have a different shape. Not a star anymore. So I saw someone with level 10 and it was a square. Okay guys, I want to know what my voice sounds like. And I'm doing adventure while I'm asking. I don't know why. I just am. But I do really want to know what my voice sounds like. Okay, I'm pretty close to being done, but my time is pretty close to being up. Hurry, hurry, I have to hurry. Run, 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 run. I can't chat now, other bunnies. I just need to talk to Clover. Now. This is fun. Lots of fun. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I don't think I'm going to make it. Let me through, let me through. Oof. Darn it. Load thingy. Okay, almost done. Just need to free the trapped bunnies. And it's not monkeys anymore. Hurry! Get the keys now! Get the keys. Now where's this key? I'm looking for it. Looking for it. And darn it, I'm in deep sleep. When my time's up, I'm going to do the rest of this level, and in the next video I'll tell you what I got. So what does my voice sound like, everybody? I really want to know. Really, really badly want to know. Can't get the gems now. Have to hurry. Okay, I'm definitely not going to make it, but I might. 11 minutes has passed. I only get 15 minutes. Yeah! Yeah! Can't get the gems. I have to hurry and get the key. Uh-oh, the key's not right there. Where's the key? Where's the key? Here it is. Gotcha. Don't mind. I might make it, I might not. Yeah, just 2 more keys, which I think I know where they are. 12 minutes has passed. Run! Darn it. I might make it. This is the last key. Yeah! Okay, just one more key, just one more key. I hope the key's up here. Usually, sometimes it isn't, but usually it is. Wait, what the? I'm not completely where I need to be. "13 minutes has passed. Uh-oh. Hurry, hurry, hurry. There's the key. Yeah, gotcha. Can't get treasures either. I just have to hurry now. And I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it. And I made it. I did it. I did it before time ran up. Time was up. Okay, what do I get? What do I deserve for doing this? Okay, I just only get gems from this now. I do an adventure. Gems, gems, gems. But at least that was 1,500 gems. Normally I just get 1,000 or 750. Woohoo! I have a whole lot of gems. Jackpot! Oh, number 10 is not a square. I thought it was. And I only have 1 more minute left, and I'm going to dance because I have so many gems. Tomorrow's Sunday, and on Monday I have school. Da 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 da. What does my voice sound like, everybody? Please tell me in the comments. And someone else is dancing like I am. So what does my voice sound like? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.